Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful crochet butterfly. This is beginner friendly. For this project I am using 8-ply crochet yarn, 3.5mm crochet hook, scissor and tapestry needle. So let's get started. For the first round, we make a slip knot. And now we make chain 6. Now we slip stitch into the first chain. Okay, now make chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet. Now we make one double crochet into the magic circle. So including chain 3, we got total 2 double crochet. Now we make chain 2. Again we make 2 double crochet into the magic circle. Chain 2, 2 double crochet into the magic circle. Chain 2, 2 double crochet into the magic circle. So we repeat this pattern 4 more times. So I reached to the end of this round. After finishing this round, you got total 8 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this last one is 8. So now insert the hook into the first chain of chain 3. Make a slip knot, chain 1 and fasten off. So here is our first round is completed. Now for the next round we make a slip knot. And now in this round we make one single crochet in between 2 double crochet. So here is our 2 double crochet. We insert our hook in between and make one single crochet. Now we move to the next chain space and we make 6 double crochet. So I completed my 6 double crochet. Now again we make one single crochet in between 2 double crochet. So here is our 2 double crochet. We make one single crochet in between 2 double crochet. So here is our first petal completed. Now we move to the next chain space, and here we make 6 double crochet. Now we completed our 6 double crochet, and now we make 1 single crochet in between 2 double crochet. Again we move to the next chain space, and in this chain space we make 6 double crochet. We completed our 6 double crochet, and now we make 1 single crochet in between 2 double crochet. So we repeat this pattern all around. Now I reach to the end of this round. Now we make a slip knot into the starting chain, and now make chain 8. Now bend the applique into the half like that, and roll over this chain like this. And now we insert the hook when we start our chain. Make a slip knot, chain 1 and fasten off. Now we make antenna. For that we take small thread, and now we make knot into the both end. Now the help of the crochet hook, we take this thread bottom of the butterfly, top of the butterfly, adjust into the middle, cut the extra yarn, Now here is our butterfly is ready. Thanks for watching.